The man in the blue suit is a man on a mission. He's a trainer for the Nkoma Synod Mass Choir and has a job to do. He has to find the right voice to lead the first song at the concert. He is determined to find the perfect voice. He's leaving no stone unturned.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Why?
Santa Claus is coming to town, gather round. He's making a list, checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake.
He knows if you've been bad or good,
So be good for goodness sake.
you better
Watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
With little tin horns, little toy drums, Rudy Toot Toots and Rum-a-Tum-Tums, Santa Claus is coming to town. And curly head dolls, a toddle and coo, elephant boats and kitty cars too, Santa Claus is coming to town.
回すとこのねカーって
Christmas tree,
You better watch out,
you better not cry,
you better not pout,
I'm a telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town.